Well, good morning. So today I thought we'd do something a little bit different. As you may or may not know, I live in Las Vegas, and that I didn't know about when I moved here that I thought was interesting is that it is very, very close to a very large mountain called Mt Charleston, and it actually snows up there. And it's only about maybe a 45-minute drive from the Strip and only about a 25-minute drive from my house. So I thought we'd go up there today and take a look at what that looks like. And then I also brought the Leica, and so we'll take some pictures if we see anything cool. So enjoy the ride, and hope this is interesting to you. And we'll see you when we get to the top of the mountain.